similarity. We're going to learn 3 postulates that we can use to prove triangles are similar. The first one is angle-angle. The second one is side, angle, side. And then we're also going to learn side, side, side. Okay? If you remember a couple of weeks ago, we talked about triangle congruency. Okay? Isaac, what do you remember about congruent triangles?
They're the same size and the same shape.
Okay, correct. Triangles that are congruent have the same size and the same shape. Okay? And do you remember a few of the postulates that we could use to determine triangles are congruent? Just give me one.
Side, side, side.
Side, side, side. Correct.
We learned about the angle-angle similarity postulate, and what that means is when you have 2 triangles, you can prove that they are congruent if they have 2 angles that are the same. So in the first triangle on the left, we have angle T is 37 degrees, and if you look at the triangle on the right, angle D is also 37. Now we don't know it's congruent until we find our second angle that it's congruent. So we've got angle V, which is a 90-degree angle, and we have angle F, which is also a 90-degree angle. Since we know these 2 angles on both of these triangles are the same, we know that the triangles are similar based on the angle-angle similarity postulate. Hey guys, you all have a test next week on Tuesday, November 20th. And there are a few things that I want to make sure that you understand and that you review before the test day. One of the things that you will need to know for your test is the triangle sum theorem. On the Screenchomp app, you can add a background picture by selecting the icon in the bottom left corner. You can then move, zoom, or rotate your background picture. This is what it looks like after you click Done. You can also write on the picture. If you make a mistake and need to clear it, just click the icon with the little rag and it will wipe your mistake off. When you're ready to record, press record, and you get a nice little countdown before the recording starts. When you're done recording, press stop. At this point, you can either trash or share your recording. If you share your recording, it will be stored in the recordings under the icon on the top of the screen. Just click the recording you want to share, then select copy link, email link, or tweet this. Because I upload my Screenchomps to Edmodo, I email it to myself. Once that's done, I go to my email and I click the link. After the link opens, I scroll down to the bottom of the page and click download. Now my file is ready to upload to Edmodo. If you want to create an audio recording of a lesson, Wavepad is the app for you. To begin recording, open the app and select the red record button in the bottom left-hand corner. When your recording begins, you see a nice little picture of a microphone. When you're done recording, press the stop button. You also have the option of pressing pause and hitting record to continue recording. After you've finished recording, it will look like this. You also have options to save, delete, import or export, etc. under the File section. Wavepad allows you several choices when editing your recording. You can also add various effects to enhance your recording. For this recording, I utilize the noise reduction option. When your recording meets your satisfaction, click File, then Save. After your file has saved, click the microphone and envelope icon at the bottom of the screen. From there, you click Email and email the recording to yourself. After the recording has been emailed to yourself, You then download the file to your computer. It's now ready to upload to Edmodo.
Take two.
Yeah, you ready?
Take two.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
Okay, you're in Edmodo and you're going to your notes, right? Let's pull 775 class right now. When you click on, it's going to give you the front page. And you see this little part down here where my cursor is? It disappears when I come up here. Okay? So when you need to go to the second page, just hover down here and it'll scroll down with the arrow key to get page 2. Page up. If you want to save it, if you want to print it, everything's down here. If you want to zoom in, you can zoom in. If you want to zoom out, you zoom out. But when you're up here, it disappears. Okay?